Hello my dear traders, very welcome to Tum's Trading Academy. Today me and my tiger, we are ready to trade. Are you ready? Let's go for our today day trade. Alright my dear traders, today in the beginning of this today day trade guys, I have in my live account 1500 bucks and I choose the currency pair USD CHF and the first investment is going to be $500 and let's push up with this market guys, and let me explain what's going on with the market. It went up, went down little by little. When it hit the bottom guys, it should be growing up, and according to the RS indicator below, look at this, when it hit the oversell zone it should be growing up guys. So that's why I decided to push up with this currency pair guys, and USD CHF currency pair today giving us 82% profit guys. So so far so good. By my experience, I'm telling you that, I'm guaranteeing you that I'm gonna make this profit 100%, 400% sure guys. So we don't have any risk right now. So and the whole market pattern like a bearish pattern guys, don't forget about it. If you don't know about bearish patterns, bullish pattern and other things, if you are a beginner for my videos guys, watch my previous videos and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, and look at my first profit guys, $910 and 410 clean profit guys. And let's push up and follow the trend guys. Look at this. Trend is like it's growing up. When it hit the bottom in the RS indicator, the oversell zone guys, it's pushing up guys. Pay attention on the RS indicator below every time guys. And right now the RS indicator, it's giving us really strange market analysis, real-time market analysis. It's a little bit weird. By the way, if you're experienced and professional day trader guys, you can analyze the RS indicator very well. If you're a beginner guys, I'm highly recommending you to use candlestick strategies, candlestick patterns, and how patterns are going. Go with it, go with the trend and follow the trend. Trend is our friend, and if you are following trend guys, you will never lose your money guys. So another profit guys, $910 profit guys. Let's change the currency pair. Okay, let's choose a really good one, good trend guys. Not here, no, not here, not here, not here, not available. Okay, yeah, here. Let's push down, and guys, what's going on? According to the RS indicator, we can't get real-time analysis through RS indicator right now. And no, where are you going? Not growing up. You should push down, not climb up. You should climb down. Red candle, yeah. This red candle has a really good strong selling opportunity right now. So far so good. I think yeah, we are going to make this profit for sure guys. Okay, all right. CHF JPY, our currency pair, and 82% profit we can have guys. Okay, not bad. It's going very well guys. Okay, and I'm gonna make it. Look at this, my profit, another 910. And let's push down again. Oh, wait, let's wait guys, let's wait. Let's push up or down, up or down, wait. Okay, let's push down. Yeah, let's push down because it's pushing down. The green candle which appeared, it's like a fake candle guys. So that's why we need to be careful with the fake candles guys. So if you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me guys, all you have to do a really simple thing guys. Go to the below description, find my VIP Telegram channel link, join with my VIP Telegram channel community. There it's available an ocean of additional educational things and my tactics, my techniques, and day trading online updates available. If you're a beginner, you will become a professional day trader within couple of weeks guys. So I'm giving you that guarantee. Use it. And guys, look at this guys, I'm gonna make this easy profit. Look at this guys, I'm gonna make it. And guys, okay, all right, my dear traders, I'm gonna, yeah, made it guys, another 910. And let's push, let's go with $1,000. Okay, let's wait and see when it hit the bottom guys. It should be changed according to the RS indicator below. I'm telling you that it should be reaching to the bottom guys. It should be hit the bottom, and market should be changed. Look at this, look at this, it's changing. Yeah, that's why I decided to push up with $1,000 as I told you. So so far so good, going pretty well, but still it didn't reach into the oversell zone. Look at this RS indicator, according to the RS indicator, but it doesn't matter. I think it hit the bottom guys. So what about resistive zones and supportive zones? No resistive zones and no supportive zones. It means guys, according to the RS indicator, pay attention on below RS indicator guys. What I'm saying, this time I'm gonna make it. Yeah, also make it, make my profit guys. So, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video. And guys, share my videos, my YouTube channel with your trading friends. Guys, look at this $1,820 profit guys. I have made it really easy guys. And let's change the currency pair and let's push down. Okay, all right, look at this guys. What's going on with the market? It went down and went down little by little. It's pushing down guys right now. Sorry. So guys, if you want to become a really profitable and professional day trader guys, you have to do a really simple thing guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more additional educational videos like this, and watch my previous videos if you are a beginner for this video guys. So, and hit the like button, share with your friends my videos, and improve your knowledge, and help to improve their knowledge, your friends knowledge. And let's make money together guys. So far so, oh shit, bad guys, look at this. It's kind of weird, something happening, kind of weird thing. Yeah, I'm not going to make it guys. I lost my 1,000. Yeah, let's go with 2,000. Okay, let's push down or up. Wait, let me analyze guys, my dear traders. Let me analyze. Okay, let's push up, and let me tell you guys, look at this, resistive zones and supportive zones appeared, and market is bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones, I'm guessing. So market is right now it's growing up, climbing up. So I think by my experience, I'm telling you that it's working. Yeah, that's why I took the risk and put my money $2,000 into the risk. It's like we should take risks sometimes to make a lot of money, lot of profit. My mission, vision, and goal is at the end of the day make a really good profit guys. So this one, yeah, for today it's enough for today, and this one is the last trade for today guys. And at the after this one, I'm going to stop today day trade. And look at this guys, $3,820 profit, and in my live account at the end of the day guys, $4,780. I have made more than $3,000 at the end of the day, and it's a really best profit. My dear traders, today I have made more than $3,000, $3,000 at the end of the day guys. It's a really worth profit guys for today. And guys, if you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me guys, all you have to do a really simple thing guys. Follow my instructions and follow my tactics. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utham's Trading Academy. See you and take care guys.